everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about two products from the Dior Holiday 2020 collection. I have here both the shades for the 5 Couleurs Couture Golden Nights Holiday Edition. So the first one is in the shade 089 Golden Nights and the other one is in the shade 549 Black Night. So let's start with the packaging. For the box, it's almost the same as the, normal 5 Couleurs Couture box, except that the holiday one, this one has like a snowflake detail to it, which I think is really cute. I think small details are the best. You have here the weight. It says 4 grams and it says it has 0.14 ounce of product. On the back, you have here the ingredients and it says it is made in Italy. On the side, you have your illustration of the brushes that you get inside and what it is used for. Now let's open the box. Just like every other 5 Couleurs Couture palettes, you have here a guide for a soft look and an intense look. So this is what the palette looks like. It's literally the same as any other 5 Couleurs Couture palettes. You have here Dior written on here and you have your Dior's logo. You actually press this to open like so. On the back, you get the name of the palette, the shade, where it's made, the weight, and the suggested shelf life, which is 6 months. When you open the palette, you already get here a mirror. So this palette is very compact and easy to travel with since it's small and it already has a mirror. And again, you get 2 dual-ended brushes. So these are the brushes and it has the Dior logo on there as well. And according to the packaging, this one is a white sponge applicator to apply all over your lid. The other side is a thin sponge applicator for a precise line. This one is a blending brush to buff and blend shadows. This one is an angled shading brush to sculpt and cut crease. So again, these are the brushes. So cute. And you have here a plastic sleeve covering the shades. So these are the gorgeous shades. I actually already used them, but as you can see, there are like snowflakes details engraved on the shadows as well, similar to the packaging, and you have here Dior's logo. So again, this is Golden Snow. Now I will be showing you some swatches. I did finger swatches and I did eye swatches as well. So I put each shade all over my eyes. Let's go. So these are the first 2 shades. These are the 2 shades at the bottom. And then last is this shade at the middle. So these are the gorgeous shades. So now that you've seen the swatches, I'm going to be showing you 2 looks that I created using Golden Snow. I did a soft look and an intense look. For the soft look of the Golden Snow, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here and I'm going to start with this shade. I'm just going to buff and blend this all over my lids like so. So this is what it looks like. Then using my finger, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to pack this on the outer half of my lid like so. Going back with my brush and this shade, I'm going to do a little bit of blending. Still using my finger, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to pack this on the inner half of my lid and I'm also going to put this in my inner corners. Then I'm taking this shade again. I'm going to put this under my lower lash line. So this is what the soft look looks like. Now for the intense look of the Golden Snow, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here. And I'm going to start with this shade. I'm just going to buff and blend this, starting from my outer corner, working my way in. And then I'm taking this shade And I'm going to focus this on my outer V. Then using my finger, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply this on the inner half of my lid, like so, and blend it out. Going back with my brush and this shade, I'm just going to blend out my outer V again. Add a little bit of that brown shade. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. And then I'm going back with this shade, apply that on my inner corner. So this is the intense look. So this is the soft look, and this is the intense look. Now moving on to 089 Black Knight. So it's the same packaging. Let's open. Again, it's the same. Now let's open the mirror, the brushes. This palette actually came in broken, like this shade and this shade would fall off. But when I got it, I actually got lazy and didn't file a complaint or something. I don't mind. I don't want to deal with it, but it's broken. So these are the gorgeous shades. Again, there's like snowflakes details on there. Dior's logo. And now again, I will be showing you some swatches, both finger and eye swatches. Let's go. So these are the first two shades. And then these are the two shades at the bottom. This black one right here is matte. And then this shade right here is the one on the middle. So these are the gorgeous shades. So now that you've seen the swatches, I am now going to show you two looks that I created using Black Knight. So I also did a soft look and an intense look. I'm also using Black Knight on my eyes right now. I basically just blended these three shades right here just on my outer corner, and then I've put this black shade right here on my lower lash line, and then I use this on the center of my lid and on my inner corner. Then that's just it. So I basically use all the shades on my eye look today, and I think it came out pretty nice. Now, moving on, I'm going to show you the soft look and the intense look. For the soft look of the Black Knight, I'm going to use these three shades right here, starting from this shade in the middle. And I'm going to lightly buff this on my outer V. I have to diffuse it a little bit using my finger because it became like too harsh. And I'm just putting some all over my lid. And then I'm going to be taking this shade, put this on my outer V. And I'm just going to blend this with my brush. And then I'm going to take this shade and apply this on my lids like so. Do a little bit of blending here on the outer corner and on the crease. Still using this shade, so I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. Then I'm taking this shade in the middle and I'm going to apply it here under my lower lash line, connected to my outer V. So this is the soft look for the Black Knight. Now for the intense look, I'm going to be using these three shades right here, and I'm going to start with this shade. And I'm going to put this all over my lids. There. Then using my finger, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply this all over my lids, like so. And then using my brush, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to blend this on my outer V and onto my crease, like so. Just blend, blend, blend. Then I'm taking this shade again and apply this under my lower lash line. Connect it to my outer V. So this is the soft look and this is the intense look. I don't really like how this is looking right now, so I'm going to add something to it. I'm going to take this shade and apply it on the center of my lid. There, I think it looks so much better. So this is the soft look and this is the intense look. So for my final thoughts about these two, I think they're really great. The formula is very nice as usual. 5 Couleurs Couture palettes never disappoints. I'm in love with the formula. It is very easy to work with, very easy to blend. It's very smooth and it always looks so elegant and sophisticated. I just love it. One thing that I didn't like that much is with the Black Knight, 2 of the shades here look kind of too similar, like these 2 shades right here. So these 2 shades look too similar for me. Like, look at that. I wish Dior given us more of like a variety. I don't know how to explain it. It just looks too similar. I don't know, but that's just me, you know. I really wish there were more different colors and I wish they weren't like falling off like that. So looking at the pan and on the pictures of the advertisements and everything, for some reason I expected this one to be really red or maroon. I think a very deep red would have been nice as a winter color. I don't know, I was just not satisfied with that red shade right there. I wish it would have been more red, but that's just me, yeah. But formula wise, it was nice. I want more color, a different color. Like for real, the only thing that stood out on this palette was this shade. But again, maybe that's just me. I don't know, because again, the formula is very nice. So yeah, I totally recommend both, especially if you love these kinds of colors. Then go ahead and try it. It's amazing. The formula is immaculate. But again, I just want to say, these palettes retail for $63, and I don't think, again, this is just me, I don't think $63 is worth it for like getting 5 shades and 2 of them are the same. They look the same. For this one though, I have no complaints. This is very nice. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so don't miss any of my uploads, because on my next video I'm going to be reviewing the 3 new quads from Pat McGrath, because it just came in today. So these just came in. So yeah, I will be reviewing this on my next video. So go hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.